Hello, my name is Nora. This is poison ivy. This is poison oak. To the spiders. This is a black widow, which is venomous. This is a funnel web spider, which is venomous. Time for the snakes. This is a Harley point coral snake, which is venomous. This is an eastern copperhead, which is also venomous. This is a venomous northern cottonmouth. This is a venomous eastern diamondback rattlesnake. This is a venomous timber rattlesnake. This is a venomous pygmy rattlesnake. This is a poison ivy and oak rash. This is a spider bite. This is a snake bite. Hope you enjoyed my video. Bye!